So the object of today's experiment is that we are doing material testing by way of combat. So we printed a variety of these spinning top blades, and each one is printed out of a different Polymaker material. Our launcher is something we threw together in Tinkercad and uses a cheap 12-volt motor, similar to what you find in a drill.
Ready, set, go.
Oh! Okay, but that's not how this experiment started or how it's going to end. We're ready.
We've got our glasses on because safety is our #1 priority.
We started off with a normal-sized ripcord powered. Whoa! That was a lot more than I thought.
Yeah.
Okay, these are made out of PLA.
Yeah. With a pull cord.
Okay.
But man, you need a strong arm for that.
You didn't even make one for me.
I didn't because I love you, but anyway,
Okay, so what do I got? What do I got?
You got the Launcher 5000.
Okay, cool. Okay, so this is PLA.
Yes.
And that's PLA.
Yes.
And that one's already seen a little damage.
Yeah, we're not talking about that.
Okay, ready?
Ready, set, go.
Okay, oh, that one's starting to slide apart. Now, I didn't rev this one up real high. Do we need to give it more of a...
Yeah, left-hand thread. Just
okay.
We got a little bit of damage on that.
Yeah. Because when we were at Denver, we were holding back a little bit.
All right, ready, set, go.
Ooh, I'm seeing. There was some damage there.
Yeah, but not as much as.
Okay, I think. Can you see that?
Yeah, a little bit of damage.
Okay.
Not as much as I would have expected.
I'm gonna keep this one PLA.
It's not exactly scientific because.
This is scientific.
Not.
All right, so I got PLA and you've got ABS, and then that way we can see if PLA is as strong as ABS.
All right, 1, 2, 3.
Oh! Oh! Okay.
Wow.
Okay, so I had the PLA, and it
I
definitely.
think ABS is the winner.
Okay, so
PLA
we
is completely
definitely lost it. Ooh, and we got that mark. Okay, do I need to keep this orange thing here?
Yes, you do.
Okay, so I'm gonna upgrade to what should I do next?
Oh, let's do the polycarbonate. All right, polycarbonate has a tendency to shatter. It seems like.
Okay, so
this stuff.
I'm polycarbonate, and you're what?
PET glass fiber.
PET glass fiber. Okay, let me get this. There we go. All right, ready?
Go.
Ooh.
Oh.
You knocked my block off.
I did. But strangely,
Do we have a spare screw?
well,
Maybe I have to pause this to go print another screw. I have been incapacitated. Well, that seems to be pretty tough. I did not see any damage on either one of these.
all right. Ready, set, go.
Oh, there we go. Oh! Oh! All right, so that was polycarbonate?
Polycarbonate versus
PET-CF.
PET-CF.
Got a piece go over there. Okay, now some of these new pegs are just PLA, but I put like 6 walls on them, so hopefully they're strong enough. And we got more running downstairs.
All right. Here, PET versus polycarbonate.
Okay. Okay, am I upright?
Yep, ready, set, go.
Oh! Okay, so which one was which? Okay, so this
God,
is the
it's
pet.
still going. Oh, somebody whacked the run through. Oh yeah, we can read
Sticks good. Okay, so pet versus polycarbonate was kind of a
draw.
I don't know. This one's got a little less damage.
Yeah, well,
Okay.
you make the call. All right.
It's still spinning.
Yeah. All right. You've got glass-filled nylon. I've got carbon fiber nylon.
Okay. Ready?
Go.
Ooh. All right.
You lost your top.
But those held together pretty well.
Do it one more time.
Okay. Ah. Wait a minute. How does that go? Oh, I lost that. Do we have a spare of that?
No.
Our 3D printed motors here, the screw here, that came off. So I believe these were printed in ASA originally. So Rick's got another one downstairs. He's going to go fix it up. It needs heat set inserts. So it might take a little minute. We'll get back to it.
And we're back. We've got PA6 versus glass-filled nylon.
Okay, that's upright.
Go. Well, that glass-filled nylon that's a tough one.
All right, so what do we got?
You've still got glass fiber nylon. I've got PPS-CF.
Okay, glass fiber nylon, PPS.
CF.
PPS-CF?
Correct.
What is that?
Polypropylene sulfide, something like that.
Okay.
Ready, set, go.
Okay, neither one of those are damaged. They just unscrewed themselves a little bit.
Oh, you might have a little damage. No, not much.
Little crumb. Okay.
All right. Do it again.
So the other thing I want to see is these eat up the lesser. I want to see if it's tougher than all the other materials. All right, so we've got ABS, which is sort of the typical tough material.
High temp, but you don't need crazy hot beds and stuff.
So anybody can print ABS with minimum enclosure. Okay, let me get that straight on there. Okay, and you've got
still the PPS-CF.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Ooh. Well, that did pretty good. Okay. So it chewed up the edges a little bit.
Yeah, and still, this is just perfect.
And that one, look, okay, okay, let's do this one more time.
Well, we are doing this for science.
For science.
All right, ready, set, go.
Ooh.
Well, that one wasn't super violent. Hey, give that one more go.
Sure.
Right, ready, set, go.
Okay, calm down. Okay, so it took 3 tries, but all right, the ABS. Oh, I think it's still 1 over that one. Okay, you got another one of those?
The CF.
Ready?
Go.
Oh, okay. So PETG lost some corners immediately on the first go. Any damage on that one?
Not really.
Okay. Let's do it one more time.
Ready,
Okay.
set, go. Pet down.
All right. Only took 2 tries for the PET to give it up.
Filament for sure.
Okay, so let's see if PET with glass fiber, does that make it stronger or does that just make it prettier?
1, 2, 3, go.
Okay, that held its own there.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh. Oh, there we go. Okay, that is definitely taking a blow. How's that one look?
Perfect.
Oh, and that's got a crack right there. Maybe. Okay, ready?
Set, go.
All right, they unscrewed themselves, but I don't see any damage.
Needed him to rotate. I didn't want him to unscrew.
I know that, but whenever I look at a screw, I have to tell myself righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, or else I won't get it in there. Okay.
Auto mechanics for life have had to do that. So.
All right.
Ready, set, go.
Go. Oh. Okay, we split the PLA inner screw.
These are just
but the blades look fine.
Well, I got a little off there, but
I'm good.
That's pretty freaking. Remind me to pick up some PPS the next time we go filament shopping.
That was a good smack. Okay, and they both look good. Okay, I did.
There's a couple of little chunks taken out of it, but
I would like to see this up against the TPU one. Okay, so this is our champion filament up against TPU, which is known for being very, very unbreakable.
Indestructible. Ready, go.
They should just kind of bounce off stuff. Ooh.
Yeah, that's. You're not going to break that.
No, but that proves that it is as indestructible as we think. I think we can turn off the cameras and
PLA with just a little bit of damage.
Well, you want to try that one?
Good.
Okay.
You want to see something just explode?
Kind of do. Kind of like in basketball when the bottom seed has to go against the top seed. My sports ball knowledge.
Ready, set, go.
Okay, so that one started to unscrew a little bit, but did not take damage.
No, there's pieces of it everywhere.
No, but the PLA took damage. I'm saying this one. One more try?
No, sure.
Okay, so that's PLA.
Seriously, I need to print more PPS.
Yep. Okay.
Ready, set, go. See, great is flying.
Ooh. All right, that is definitely our champion filament right
Yes. All right, do you want to do one more? PPS versus PPS. This one's got a little prior damage. I don't know what took it out. It might have been one of that glass filled.
This one's got just a nick on the corner here.
Yeah.
So this
This
is
is
probably
Goliath versus Goliath.
probably the fourth round for this
Yes.
combo.
Ready, set, go. Oh, that was a.
I have to say, yeah. So 4 tries before these took
Four.
damage.
And man, did they.
Okay, so that's science.
Yes. What did we learn?
If you're going to print something that needs to be very durable, use the PPS.
PPS carbon fiber.
Okay. PPS
Brought to you
carbon fiber.
by Polymaker.
If you've made it this far, thanks for watching. But I also wanted to let you know we've made a larger top and we've entered it to exhibit at Open Source. So we're waiting for feedback from them. I think we're getting in. I'm not exactly sure, but keep watching and I'll let you know as soon as we know for sure. So maybe we'll see you this summer in California.